ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ 2008 లో స్థాపించిన కళాశాలలో NBA, NAC A గ్రేడ్ మరియు ISO సర్టిఫికేషన్ సాధించిన మొట్టమొదటి కళాశాల శ్రీ ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ.
Dear students, very good morning. Welcome to our technologies class. I hope you are so fine. Okay, in this session we will discuss about another input elements in HTML forms. Okay, last class we have discussed various input elements in HTML. What are the names of the input elements we have discussed? How to display a text, how to set the password field, how to display radio button or option buttons, how to display checkboxes. Okay, like this, these are the we are discussed in the previous session. Now in this session we will discuss another input elements. Okay, in this session we will see the input elements for displaying. The first one, drop down box. Suppose I want to select my favorite color, red, green, blue, like some list of colors is there. Drop down box will come. I will select one of the color. Suppose state, while filling the forms we are observed that what is your state. Some drop down will come. Okay, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, some name. We have to select one of the state. How to get that drop down? That drop down can be designed using select input type. Okay, next we will see field set and input type, and followed by next we will see another input text area. Okay, in this session these are the main input elements in a form. For displaying drop down in HTML form, we use the HTML element select. Select. All the values are option like that. We will place all the values. We will see how to display this in a file. Okay, the same file I am using previous file. My form 1, I am renaming this one as save as my form 2.html. This is the my form 2.html. Here I will display the select. Okay, it will starts with the select, ends with select. Okay, it has some name equal to. At the server, which item is selected, we can receive using this name at the server. Name equal to, attribute for the select is name equal to, colors, my color, my CO. My CO means my color, some name I have given, and okay, here we will display various colors like this. Option, value equal to, red / option. Here I will write red color. Okay, like that. Value, VALUE, value equal to, like this. Okay, first option I will write 4 options: red, green, blue, yellow. Okay, second color, any color, no problem. GR, green. Next color is blue. Cyan. Okay, here we will change the values. Blue color means blue. At server, what my CO get the value of my CO means, if we select blue color means blue will come. If we select green color means at the server what is the value of my CO means GR will come. Cyan. Okay, control S. Okay, this is the way of selecting colors. Select, I am putting heading here. Select your color. Select your color. Okay, this heading will come. This is for drop down box. Control S. I am saving this file. Control S. I am opening this file in the browser. How to open this file in the browser? Go to the class 10 folder. Here my forms2 file is there. Okay, just click this one. Okay, here drop down is there. Okay, select your color. If I select green color, means green, blue, cyan. This is the one way of designing drop down in HTML. Okay, once again we will design one more. Select state. Okay, same fashion I am writing state. Select state. While filling the forms or applications, we observe number of times. What is your state? Select your state. Okay, BR break means it will come next line. Okay, select starts with select input SCLECT select. It has a name equal to state. Okay, any name ends with slash select. Okay, between these we write the options. Option value equal to 1 slash option. 1 means AP. Okay, like this we will put some more options. To Telangana, Karna. Third one, Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu. Fourth one, Karnataka. Fifth one, Delhi. Sixth one, Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu. Okay, these are the states. For testing purpose only, I am selected. So if you want more means, we can insert here more values. Okay, Control S, save this file. Control S. Okay, I am opening this browser in the file. My forms2.html. Okay, select your state. AP here all whatever the names we are given, all those given. Okay, Karnataka. If we click me or send button means this data will be submitted to the server. Okay, the selected state is Karnataka. The selected state is AP. Okay, once again I am refreshing this page. Okay, observe clearly. Okay, what is the default value is selected? The default value is AP. Now I am expecting the default value is Jammu. So we have to keep here default. Default Control S Alt Tab F5. Okay, it is not working. Okay, why we will see. Default Control S Alt Tab F5. Okay, if we put here default means here defaultly Jammu will be selected. Okay, starting value selected. LECT, it is selected. You will see deep, not default. Control S, Alt tab, F5. Okay, now it is working. Not default, selected. I want to select default value is Jammu. Suppose in this one, my requirement once again. Initially, I want to display Tamil Nadu, not Jammu. The default value I want to place is this one. Here we have to write selected. Selected. Control S. Alt tab. Now this is open in the browser F5. Okay, Tamil Nadu will come. Okay, in this way we will use select in this fashion we will use select button in HTML. Select option in HTML for displaying options. Okay, next we will see next type of input. Okay, that is about selecting from drop down box. In order to select the values from the drop down box, we use select input type element. Select slash select. We can specify the values as option slash option. Next type of input is text area. Suppose we want to read the values of a address of a some customer in a form. The requirement is like this. I want to read address. Okay, enter the address. Okay, text input type is enough for reading a single line. Okay, text area is the another input type. Using this input type, we can read multiple lines of text, number of rows and columns. It is possible to read more number of lines using the input type text area. Now we will see about text area. Okay, the input text area can be specified using the word text area. Text area. Text area ends with slash text area. Okay, enter your address. Here I am writing heading as enter your address. Enter your address. Okay, this text area has some name equal to, I am given name as add address. Okay, in this text area how many rows I am expecting? Rows equal to, okay, seven rows. Calls equal to, how many number of characters per column? Calls equal to 25. Okay, rows equal to 7, calls equal to 25. Okay, this is the text area. We will see how it will come. My form 2. I am opening this one in browser. Okay, text area will be displayed like this. Okay, text area, select your color. All these are there. Why these came? We will see next. Okay, why text area? All these are came. Select slash select. Okay, select your color. Text area is not ended properly. Okay, that's why all these came. Slash text area slash text area. Here previously I am running means text area is not closed properly. This is also a paired tag. Text area slash text area. Control S. Once again I am opening this one on the browser. We will see how the output will come. Okay, F5. Okay, this is the text area. Enter your address. Okay, I will put the break statements for more clarity in this one. Okay, break. Okay, before also enter your address. After select is over, I will put a break tag. It will display next line onwards. Control S, Alt tab, F5. Now we will observe here, enter your address. In this area, it is possible to enter multiple lines. D. Srinivas, MVR College of Engineering and Technology, MVR College of Engineering, Engineering and Technology, అక్కడ from Paritala 521456, call number 99485856661. Okay, in this fashion we can display the text area. Okay, now I want to say some important information to you. Okay, that information we will see using text area. Okay, next one, this is the way of using text area. Important points. I want to give some important points to you. Okay, IMP points to CSC students. Which year? Fourth year. Fourth. TH. I want to get TH at the top. Superscript. SUP slash SUP. SUP means superscript. Whatever we have given between SUP and slash SUP, that will be appeared at the top. Fourth CSC students. Important points to fourth CSC students. Control C. First we will run it. Whether it is coming or not, we will see. Next we will put the text area here. Break. I will put one more break. Whether it is coming or not, Control S, Alt Tab. Go to the browser. Go to the browser. I am running this one. Okay. Important IMP points to 4th CSC students. I want to display here text area also. Okay, how to display text area? This is the command for text area. Text area, important points. Where is it? Here. Important points to CSC students. I will write here text area. Text area. Okay, what is the name? Name equal to. I am given name of this text box to IMP. Okay, how many rows are there in this text box? Rows equal to, okay, 10 rows. Calls equal to how many columns? In the text area, number of columns I am expecting is call. COLA. Calls equal to some 50 columns. I want to display text area whose size is 10 rows and 50 columns. Okay, this is the way of designing text area. Okay, 10 rows and 50. Control S, Alt Tab, F5. Okay, text area will be displayed here. Now my requirement is, suppose I am typed some data, means here it will be displayed. Suppose I want by default only, I want to display some data in this text area. All materials tomorrow I will share one link to you. At that link, all materials are available. Okay, I have pasted some data here. Tomorrow I will share one link to you. At that link, all materials are available. Control S, Alt Tab. Okay, now I am running this one. Now I am running this file. Okay, next how to run this one? Okay, run this one. This will be displayed. Tomorrow I will share one link to you. At that link, all materials are available. Okay, save for this sem. Okay, I will give some more information also for this SEM. That is the only link. It is the only link you have to refer for any subject, any subject notes, any subject materials. Okay, tomorrow I will share. Tomorrow I will share one link to you. At that link, materials are available. Okay, at that link. Okay, I'm correct. Yeah. Materials are available. Okay, for this one, for this, that is the only link you have to refer for any subject material in this sem. Okay, tomorrow I will share one link to you. At that link, all subjects of this sem will be there. In unit 1 folder of web technologies, unit 1 notes is there. In unit 2 of web technologies, unit 2 notes is there. For lab subject, one lab folder is there. All these files, whatever the PPTs I am prepared, whatever the files written, all these files are, I will upload to that folder. Okay, this is about text area. Next type of input is text area. We have seen the text area. Okay, text area has name, rows and the calls. Okay, using how many rows, how many calls is there, like that. Okay, the name can be setted using the attribute name. Next, we will see field set and legend attributes of form. That's it about input type text area in forms. Next, we will see field set. Field set. Suppose I want to get a nice border around all the input fields. I want to get a box between all the input fields. For that, this is not the input. For designing purpose, we will use like text or radio button. Though all those are the input values. But this is not input field. For nice designing, we will use this attribute field set slash field set. If we use this element field set slash field set means a nice box will come around whatever the content between field set and slash field set. A nice box will be displayed between uh, between all the elements. We will see about field set. Okay, the same form I am considering here. Okay, I am placing the field set attribute. Where is the form is started? This is the starting of the form. Forms by Srinivas. Okay, this is the starting of the form. Here I will put field set FIELD field set. Okay, at the start of the form I am placing the element field set. At the end of the form, this is the end of the form. I am closing that element slash field set. Okay, one box will come between all the elements. Okay, field set slash field set control S. The name of this file is my form2.html. Okay, now I am opening this one in the browser. Okay, if we open the same file in the browser means what will come? We will see a border is there. Okay, observe that in this page some border is there. Okay, username like this border will come. Suppose I want border only for this up to hobbies only. I am expecting the border for up to hobbies. Then I will close this field set attribute value here. This is the closing of the field set. Suppose I am closing this field set value here means up to here only one box will come slash field set. Control S Alt Tab. Now open the browser. Okay, once again I am refreshing the page by pressing the button to observe here field set. Okay, one box will come. Whenever the field set slash field set is there, this is used for design purpose. all the data between field set and the slash field set will be displayed on the box. Okay, this is about the field set. Now I want to get here this in the box. I want to display some information, student information or MVR college. I want to display on the box. I have to write MVR college. Then in order to write MVR college, we will use the HTML element. For here in field set I will use legend legend. Here I will write MVR college. Here MVR college. Control C. In field set, I will write the one attribute legend slash legend. If we use legend and slash legend means I am refreshing this page once again. By pressing the F5, it will be refreshed. MVR college, where it is obtained in the box. Okay, this is the box. At the box, it will come on one line MVR college. This box is about MVR college. Suppose I want not MVR college, I want to get students, CSC students. CSC students. Okay, legend within the field set where we have to put this element legend slash legend element within the field set we have to place this one. Okay, CSC students control S saving the file. I am saved the file with the control S. Next one I am opening the form F5. Okay, CSC students. Okay, whatever the data is there between here legend that data will be displayed here. Okay, among I want to display this data sample example programs on form examples of forms or forms topic form or working with forms by I want to display my name in bold letter. In order to display name in bold letter, we will use B slash B. Note down, whenever I am saying new element observer means take a separate notes, keep a separate notes, put HTML, B slash B tag used for bold type text. Srinivas. Okay, the text between B and slash B will be appear as bold. Alt tab. Okay, now I will run this program. We will see how the output. Refresh this page. Refreshing by pressing the F5 button. Observe examples of form working with forms by Srinivas. The Srinivas is different from other font. Other font is normal font. Srinivas is applied coming with the bold font. Okay, here the concept is in order to get some name on that box, we use the HTML element legend. Okay, this is about legend element. This is about legend element in HTML. Okay, till now we have seen various input elements in HTML forms. Okay, this is about all the input elements in forms, all the input element forms. Next class we will see design some I am covered till now what are the input element, what is the input element, what is the input element. General in outside we observe the form means some nice design is there, some nice background is there for that one. Next I will give the examples. I will show next class. I will design 3 or 4 forms. Next you will do the same style. You yourself will design the other forms. Design is the important because whenever the user want to enter data, he sees his convenience. As per his convenience, he will enter the data. Okay, it must be attractive, not side by side. Some style is there. Okay, how to design these forms? We will see some examples of the design of the forms in nice for entering student information like that. we will see in next class. Okay, I will show one person. He is Sai Kritik. Say hello.
Hara. Phoniva.
He is always expecting phone from me. Okay, till now we have seen various inputs. Okay, what are the inputs available in HTML? First one, text type input, password input, next radio type, input type equal to radio, input type equal to checkbox, next text area, select, okay, field set, legend we have seen. Okay, some more is there. Among all, these are the main form input elements. Okay, go through the previous video once again. These are the very basics, very important. Not only here, throughout the life. Whenever we want to design a form means we have to use this one only, these elements only. For displaying text, we use a text. For a reading address, we use text area type input. For selecting options, we use radio type input. For selecting multiple options, among all, we use checkboxes or drop down box. Basing on the requirement, we will design the form. Next class we will design two or more forms using this one with a nice structure and with a nice design. Okay. Okay. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you.